Our SB formula was our first silicone airbrush makeup that we launched. We offer it in foundation, blush, highlighters, our color adjusters, bronze and contour, and even our high def colors. So what's really great about this line is it is the pure artist collection. I mean, you can use all of these products together, you can use them separately, you can pretty much do anything you want with them. So with our foundation, we offer it in 12 colors. And like I said, any of these are customizable. If you want in between two colors, you can just blend. With our blush, we offer it from ranges of peaches, pinks, purple undertones, so no matter what your skin base is, you can find the perfect blush. They're really great on their own, or if you want to dilute the color a little bit, you just mix it with a little of our foundation. Same goes for our highlighters. You can use them on their own if you want, high shine, high strobe, or if you want to dim that down a little bit, you mix it right into the foundation and then you can apply it that way. You can also add our highlighters to our blush colors. Say you want a peach cheek, but you want a little bit of a golden glow to it. That's really beautiful if you just mix the two. Now, if you're between our color shades in our foundations and you want to get something that's even more perfect olive undertone, that's what our color adjusters are perfect for. Whether you need more red, yellow, olive undertones, maybe you even need more blue tones to a redness in your skin, these drops just go right into the foundation and you can custom blend any shade. With our contours, we do offer them, our bronzer and our contour, we offer them in warmer and cooler shades. But say you don't have the shade that you need, you could take one of our color adjusters, add that to a foundation, and suddenly you've created your own contour color. I mean, how incredible is that? You literally can do anything you need. Then if you're more of our artist and you want to just branch out and go beyond your primary colors, that's what our high def colors are for. Whether you're working in fashion or editorial, or you're doing something in a music video, these colors are amazing. They offer you a lot of range to really explore any of your artistic side. And again, any of these colors can be made even more vibrant, or they can be made more subtle with some of our adjusters. Like the white really helps make anything go from vibrant to pastel. So I give you guys a challenge. You try to find a way that you can't make a certain color, and I would challenge you to that, because I'm pretty positive that within this line, you can make anything you need. And whether you're using it from your airbrush, using it on your fingertips, using a sponge, a regular makeup brush, the formula is so blendable and customizable that you could really do just about anything. And better than that, it'll last all day.